Okay, girls, for the unit of measurement, I'm going to use the videos to give you feedback on the questions that you had difficulty with. So, going to chapter 9.4, perimeter. Question 14 was the question that most students had difficulty with. So, I encourage you to watch the videos and just check if you had trouble with that question, and if you did, then put it into your skills book as feedback for 9.4 perimeter. And if you didn't have problem with that question, then just skip. You don't have to watch all the videos, okay? It depends of which question you had difficulty with. If you don't remember, you can always ask me and I can give you that information, okay? So question 14 says, Kelly has a piece of string of 32 centimeters long. He uses it to form rectangular shapes, which with the length and width being a whole number of centimeters. How many different rectangular shapes can he form? Okay, so first, what information do we have? We know that we have a piece of string of 32 centimeters, agree? So I did this before because it took me a while, and if you count my dots, this string that I draw here is exactly 32 centimeters, okay, girls? So this is what I want you to think. I can, if this is a piece of string, I can fold it, right, and create different rectangles of different lengths and widths, okay? So one of the ones that I created here is this one that is 15. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it has a length of 15, this is of 15 centimeters, agree? And the width of 1 centimeter. Okay, if I find the perimeter of this one, it will be what? It will be 15 plus 1, agree? 15 plus 1, and then plus 15 plus 1. The perimeter of this one then will be 16 plus 16, which is going to be 32. 32 what? Centimeters, agree? Okay, now let's look at this one. Okay, here I have a length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 centimeters, and a width of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 centimeters. So if I find the perimeter of the second one, I'm going to do it here. It's going to be, the perimeter of the second one is going to be, it's going to be 7 plus 9 plus 7 plus 9. And the perimeter is equal to 16 plus 16. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 32 centimeters. Okay. This is what I wanted to draw your attention to. If you see here, I wrote it in this way. I know that there are different ways that you can calculate the perimeter, but I wanted to show you that 15 plus 1 in the first rectangle that I drew was equal to 16. And in the second one, if I do 7 plus 9, it's equal to 16. Therefore, how we can solve our problem? I'm going to scroll down. Can I scroll down? No, not yet. So if I put here, what am I looking? Actually, what I need to do is that the length, draw with black. I need to do that the length plus the width has to be equal to 16 centimeters. That's what I'm looking for. So I have to find all the combinations of the length and the width that has to be 16 centimeters. Now, there are certain restrictions here that is telling me in the problem, and is an important distinction. It says it has to be a whole number. Okay, and remember at the beginning of the year, whole numbers are also counting. Whole numbers start with 1, agree? So our counting numbers, so it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, agree? So I want to scroll down. Thank you. Give me some space here so that I can actually draw. Good. So the first combination that I'm going to use is 15 plus 1. and that's the one that I had drawn here at the beginning, and that one is going to give me to 16 centimeters, agree? Therefore, the first combination is going to be 15 centimeters, and I think from here you can continue the pattern. So it's going to be 15 centimeters times 1 centimeter, okay? And then what it will be the next one? 14 plus 2, agree? And then 13 plus 3. You can see that I'm cutting by 1 the length and increasing the width by 1. The next one will be 14 plus 4. The next one, 15 plus, what? I made a mistake here. I did. I'm going to do here 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, plus 8. Good. So this is not only the answer, and all of these ones are going to be equal to 16, agree? But the answer that you have to write is 14 centimeters times 2 centimeters, and then 13 centimeters times 3 centimeters, and so forth. And you can verify within any of these, and you will find out that the perimeter for all of these ones are going to be, the perimeter is what? 32 centimeters. Okay, I want to draw your attention to this. Okay, so the question was asking me how many will it be? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 different rectangular shapes. But look at this one. This is a special one. Which shape is this one? This one is going to be a square. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And of course, it's not going to work. But if I could continue here, it will be like a perfect square. So why is this one also? Because the square is a special case of a rectangle. Why? What is the definition of a rectangle? A rectangle has 4 sides, each and with 4 right angles. Okay, so the square also counts into this one. That's why we have 8 shapes. Thank you, girls, for watching.